Hi guys, I'm Kim Kwan from Taste of Asian Food. In this video, I'm going to show you how to prepare the Hong Kong style macaroni soup. The method of preparation and the presentation of this soup is downright straightforward and easy to prepare. So it is the ideal recipe for your collection for breakfast. Let me show you how to do it in this video. Keep watching. To begin with, prepare the chicken broth. Filled with cold water sufficient enough to cover the bones. Bring the water to boil. Remove the scums floating on the surface with a wire mesh strainer. Turn down the heat to bare simmer. Let it simmer for about 1 hour or until the bones turn soft and release all the flavor. Remove the bones from the broth. Strain the broth through a wire mesh strainer. Or if you want it to get an extra clean broth, filter it once more by pouring it through a cloth bag. Next, we move on to cook the macaroni. Bring the water to a boil and add a tablespoon of salt. Put the macaroni into the boiling water. Keep stirring during the first minute to prevent the macaroni from sticking to the pot. Once the macaroni becomes al dente, remove and drain. Add some oil to the macaroni and mix well to prevent them from sticking together. Now get ready the ham, luncheon meat and eggs. Cut the luncheon meat into slices or dice. Pan fry the luncheon meat with a non-stick pan. You can also substitute the luncheon meat with ham. Return the clean chicken broth to the stove, then season with salt and pepper. Blanch some frozen peas in the broth and then remove. Fry an egg. Or alternatively, you can use slices of hard-boiled egg. When we get all the ingredients ready, it's time to serve. That's how I make the Hong Kong style macaroni soup, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you want the recipe, I have included it in the description right below the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscription button and give me a like. I'll see you again in other similar video on this channel soon. Bye for now.